Morning students, today maths test was there. I hope you have done all the sums and now you will tally the answer one by one. I am telling you. First question was the simplest rationalizing factor of this binomial. You know rationalizing factor of a binomial is its conjugate. And how we will find its conjugate? We will change the sign of middle term. Middle sign we will change. Here is minus, so we will write here plus. So this is the right answer, 2 root 2 plus root 3. And this option is B option. So answer is B option. Next is simplest form of this. Simplest form, how we will write? This also I told you we can do directly also. If after decimal bar is there, then 9 will be according to the number of digits under the bar. 99 will come when you will solve it. By directly also we can do because it is MCQ. Now change in the simplest form. 3 ones are 3, 3 eights are 24, 3 threes are 3 threes are. Again divide by 3, 3 sixes are 3 11s are. So right answer is 6 by 11 and option is B option is the right answer. Now third question. Find a rational number between root 2 and root 3. We want to find rational number. You know if A and B are two rational numbers, then A plus B by 2 is also a rational number between them. But these are not rational. This formula is for rational and these are irrational. Some students, they do like this, that first they will add root 2 plus root 3 by 2. But this is wrong. This is for rationals only. Now these are irrational. So first we will write in decimal form. You should learn also what is root 2, 1.414 and so on. Irrational number it is. And this when we will write in decimal form 1.732 and so on. And now see the option. Option is root 2 plus root 3 by 2 and I told you this is not possible. Second option was root 6. This is also not possible. Third is 1.6. Fourth is 1.9. See 1.6 lies between them? Yes. 1.9 lies between them? No. So right answer is C option is the right answer. 1.6. Now question number 4. In question number 4 he is asking find the coefficient of x. Coefficient of x in this expansion. X plus 3 whole cube. So first we have to expand this. What is the form here? A plus b whole cube. A cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. Apply the formula. Now x cube. 3 cube means 27. 3 3s are 9x. We will multiply the monomials. 9x into x plus 3. X cube plus 27 plus 9x square plus 27x. Now see what is the coefficient of x here. So we will write coefficient of x is equal to 27 and this option is D. So answer is D part. Now next question number 5. In question number 5 he is saying Px is equal to polynomial is given to us x cube minus 20x plus 5k and factor is here x plus 5. Here it is given that gx is the factor of px. So first we will find the zeros the polynomial divisor. Minus 5 is coming. Now p of minus 5 is equal to minus 5 cube minus 20 into minus 5 plus 5k minus 125 plus 100 plus 5k minus 25 plus 5k. As gx is factor of px, therefore by factor theorem this value should be equal to 0 because it is given that this is a factor. So p minus 5 should be equal to 0 means minus 25 plus 5k should be equal to 0. Minus 25 will become plus 25. K is equal to 25 by 5. That is k is equal to 5. So right answer is k is equal to 5. And this option is, B option is the right answer. B option. Now next question number 6. In question number 6, it is given to us that x by y plus y by x is equal to minus 1. And he is saying find the value of x cube minus y cube. This we want to find here. First we will simplify this. Take LCM xy. When you will divide xy by y, x will come x into x, x square. When you will divide xy by x, y will come y square is equal to minus 1. Now cross multiply, x square plus y square is equal to minus xy. X square plus y square minus xy will become plus xy. So this is this relation we got from the given. Now we want to find the value of this. A cube minus b cube. A minus b, a square plus b square plus ab. And now see, the value of x square plus y square plus xy is 0. So x minus y into 0 using first, and 0 into something is 0. So right answer option is C option is the right answer. Now see next question number 7. In question number 7 he is saying the ordinate, see this is a coordinate. Here we write abscissa and here we write ordinate. In this form we write, and he is saying the point whose ordinate is 3, means this number is 3 here, and which lies on the y-axis. If a number lies on the y-axis, then x coordinate is 0. So this will be the answer, and this answer is B part. 0, 3. Now question number 8. In question number 8 he is saying the area of triangle AOB. See, these are our xy plane. One point is origin, that is coordinates are 0, 0 and 0, 6. 0, 6 will be where? Here. And 6, 0 will be here because y coordinate is 0. 6, 0 is B. And this is A. And he is saying find the area of this triangle. Area of triangle we want to find here. See, these are perpendicular axes, means this angle is 90 degree. So this is a right triangle. This is base, this is height. How much length it will be? This point is 6 here. Means base is 6 and height is also 6. And what is the area of triangle? Area of triangle is half into base into height, that is 18. So right answer is 18 square unit. So option is here, C option is the right answer. Now next question number 9. In question number 9 he is saying the point is 0 minus 8 and he is asking in which the point lies where? In second quadrant, in fourth quadrant, on x-axis, on y-axis. See this here x coordinate is 0, means this point will lie on the y-axis. This is the right answer. Y-axis is the right answer. Now question number 10. In question number 10, one equation is given to us, y is equal to 2x plus 3 and options are 2, 8, 3, 9, 4, 12, 5, 15. And he is asking which of the following points lies on the graph of this line. So we will put the value of x and y, which value makes LHS RHS equal, that value is the our answer. What is x here? 2. 2 2s are 4. 4 plus 3. If you will use this value, see, in place of x we will write 2 and in place of y 8. See, LHS coming RHS? No. 2 2s are 4 plus 3 7. LHS is not equal to RHS. Now second value 3 9. Y is 9 here and x is 3. 2 3s are 6 plus 3 9. Yes. This is the right answer 3 9 because it makes left hand side and right hand side same. Okay. Thank you.